Follow these simple steps to adjust the truss rod safely and effectively. Start by loosening the 4 middle strings, A, D, G, and B. This will give you better access to the truss rod area. Once loosened, gently move the strings to the outer sides of the fretboard. Locate the protective cover at the headstock near the nut. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the 3 screws holding the cover in place. Set the screws and cover aside in a safe spot. Take the included Allen wrench to make your adjustment. Add relief, loosen the neck. Turn the Allen wrench counterclockwise. This increases the bow in the neck, creating more relief for a higher string action. Reduce relief, tighten the neck. Turn the Allen wrench clockwise. This pulls the neck back and flattens it, creating a lower string action. Make small adjustments, just a quarter turn at a time, and check the neck's relief by pressing a string at both the first and last frets. There should be a slight gap between the string and the frets in the middle. Once you're satisfied with the neck relief, reattach the truss rod cover using the Phillips screws. Return the strings to their original position, tune the guitar, and test its playability. With these steps, your GEARit Valley electric guitar will be set up perfectly for your playing style.